Cut the onion into small pieces. Life hack. If you get turns from onions, dampen your knife with water. Or light a candle. Cut carrots into cubes. Put the frying pan on the fire. Add oil. Spread carrots. Then, after a few minutes, put the onion and minced meat. Stir everything. Can add water. To cover with a lid. Simmer for 10 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, optional. Mix. Grated cheese, approximately 10-15 grams for 2 servings. Put the pot on the stove. Pour boiling water, put on fire. Add pasta. To cover with a lid. Cook for 5-7 minutes, depending on the type of pasta you have. Drain the liquid from the pasta using a colander or without. Add butter to keep the pasta from sticking together if you made it ahead of time. Add pasta to mince. To mix everything. Add shredded cheese to hot pasta, as well as salt, pepper and herbs. Thanks for watching. Your likes and subscriptions inspire me to continue shooting various recipes. I will be grateful to you for this. Bye bye!